After the growing use of electronic devices in our daily life, and the increased reliance on them. Also the popularity and diversity of the social media networks. Cyber attacks happen very often unnoticed by the unsuspected users. And everyone is worried about the safety of their data. To prevent your passwords and other important data from being stolen, you have to pay attention to any changes happen on your computer or mobile device. Number 1. The antivirus is switched off. The antivirus is a very important software to have, and there is a lot of good ones. The first thing hackers do is trying to shut down your antivirus, to get easy access to your files. If you didn't turn off your antivirus but noticed that it's off, your computer is most likely hacked, it cannot turn off on its own. Number 2. Passwords don't work. If you didn't change your passwords but they stopped working all of a sudden, and you can't access your accounts, you should be alert. Your computer or online accounts are most likely hacked. Try to reset the passwords, and try again. Number 3. Strange browser activity. If you type google.com, you find another page you don't know, or your browser keeps forwarding you to different websites. If you noticed a new icons or toolbars in your browser you don't remember that you installed, or you see pop-up windows too often in the web browser or Windows, this might be a sign of the infiltration of some dangerous code or software into your computer, to be a backdoor for hackers. Number 4. The cursor moves on its own. If you notice that your cursor is moving on its own and is highlighting something, there is no clearer sign that your computer is definitely hacked. But before you panic, try another mouse. It could be a hardware issue, or if you are using a wireless mouse, check the battery. Number 5. Your printer doesn't work properly. Cyber attack signs influence not only the computer itself, but also your printer, webcam, or other terminals. For example, when the printer refuses to print, or when it prints out something you didn't want it, that could be a clear sign of attack. But before you panic, make sure it's not out of paper, or it is connection issue. Number 6. There's unusual webcam behavior. If your webcam indicator blinks on its own, without being used by any application like Skype, Facebook Messenger, or other chatting software, reboot the computer and check if it blinks again in about 10 minutes. If it does, it means that your computer may be hacked. Number 7. Files are deleted by someone else. If you notice that some of your programs or files were missing without your knowledge, and you are sure wasn't deleted by mistake, this is definitely hacking sign. But don't panic, there are many software that can recover deleted file, no problem. But your computer is in danger, this is the serious problem. Number 8. The computer works very slowly. If the normal operations take your computer a very long time to complete, and you notice a significant drop in the performance of your computer, or the speed of your internet connection, it might mean that somebody hacked your computer. Check the task manager to see what is consuming your CPU or memory. Or try to reboot the system, and monitor the performance. What you should do: install a reliable antivirus, and scan your system. Some companies make trial versions. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Change the passwords on all your accounts every now and then. Be cautious with emails from people you don't know, especially with attachments. Be cautious with any links in social media networks. Delete all unfamiliar programs and also those you can't launch. If you still feel that the problem is not solved, ask a specialist.